Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll fix a problem where you can't enable memory integrity in Windows security. This usually happens when incompatible drivers are blocking core isolation. So let's just get started and fix the issue. We can start by opening up our Windows security, go to the search right below and type in Windows security, type in that. And once you find Windows security, go ahead and open it up on your screen. Once you open up your Windows security, you need to go ahead and find this option of device security. And under device security, you need to find option for core isolation. So find this one right here and go ahead and click on this option called core isolation details and open it up. Once you open it up here, you'll be finding option for memory integrity. You'll be finding a toggle option. So if this option is not turned on, you need to turn it on. So if you are able to turn it on by clicking on this toggle option, it is okay. Otherwise, you can follow up another step in order to turn it on. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and check the incompatible drivers. So if memory integrity can't enable, Windows usually lists all the incompatible drivers. You can note down the names shown under the incompatible drivers, and if nothing shows, we can scan manually. So you can use the device manager to update or remove the drivers. Go to the search below and type in device manager and hit enter and open it up on your screen. And from here, you can expand the categories like display adapters, this one right here, or another one system devices, this one right here, or another one network adapter. So you can just go ahead and expand those. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and right click on the suspicious driver that you think is causing the issue. Once you right click on it, you will be finding option of updating driver. You can click on it. And once you click on it, you can search automatically for drivers and install the best driver for your drivers. Another thing is if the update does not fix, you can uninstall it and reboot. So right click on the driver. After that, look out for this uninstall device option, click on it. And you need to confirm that installation, click on install. And once it is confirmed, you can reboot your device and that should also fix it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can use Microsoft's driver verifier command. Hit Windows plus R. And here, go ahead and type in CMD. Hit enter and run command prompt as your administrator. Once you open it up, you can just go ahead and type in verifier space / query. After that, hit enter and that will show a loaded drivers. Look for the unsigned or old ones that may block memory integrity, and you can update your Windows. After that, you can go ahead and go to your settings, hit Windows plus I and go to Windows security from the sidebar or Windows update. And once you find it up, you can look out for updates and check for latest update available and install the latest update for your device. And that's it. By removing or updating the incompatible drivers, you should now be able to turn on memory integrity in Windows. So if this worked for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in another one.